Hello, grade 5. How are you? I hope you are well. Today we're going to revise the grammar of Unit 1 Brainwave. In this unit, we talk to, either, and, but. Okay, let's start with to and. Remember that to is used to show that two parts of a positive sentence have the same idea. It means also. يعني to دي معناها أيضا. Okay. بربط بيها ما بين two sentences أو two words. Okay. Let's go to this example. You can eat lettuce leaves. You can eat spinach leaves. He wants me to use to here. Okay. So you can eat lettuce leaves and you can eat spinach leaves too. First, we omit the full stop between the two sentences. Second, we put to at the end of the second sentence. We put to at the end of the second sentence. And we put, instead of the full stop, and. Okay? To make the two sentences only one sentence. Okay? Let's go to the second example. Carrots grow under the ground, full stop, potatoes grow under the ground. He wants here to make the two sentences only one sentence and put two in it. Okay, so first we will omit the full stop and put and. Let's look. Carrots grow under the ground and potatoes do too. Here the verb and the object are the same. يعني الفعل والمفعول الاتنين واحد. Okay, so we can omit the verb and the object from the second sentence and put do or does. Do if it is plural, and does if it is singular. So carrots grow under the ground and potatoes plural noun, so we put do too. Okay. The leaves of the spinach plants are edible. The roots of a potato plant are edible. Huh. Let's make it only one sentence. The leaves of the spinach plants are edible and the roots of a potato plant are edible too. Okay. In this example, we can't omit the verb or the object because the two subjects are different. يعني عندي leaves of spinach plants are edible. هنا اتكلم عن leaves وفي السنتنس التانية اتكلم عن roots. تمام؟ فعلشان كده ما ينفعش ان انا اعمل ايه؟ اعمل omit لباقي السنتنس. Okay? Oranges are sweet, mangoes are sweet. Oranges are sweet and mangoes are too. Okay? Let's go to the second thing, either, and we put it in the negative sentence to mean also أيضا. يعني either معناها أيضا ولكن تأتي في الجملة النيجاتيف المنفية. to بستخدمها في البوزيتيف الجمل المثبتة، إنما either بستخدمها في النيجاتيف sentences الجمل المنفية. I don't like carrots, I don't like potatoes. Okay, here I don't like carrots and I don't like potatoes either. I omit the full stop and put and at the end I put either. I don't like carrots and I don't like potatoes either. Number 2, Jane doesn't speak French, Sam doesn't speak French. Okay, so Jane doesn't speak French and Sam doesn't speak French either. Okay, so I use either in the negative sentences and I use to in the positive sentences. Okay, and is used to combine two or more ideas. Okay, oranges aren't hard, mangoes aren't hard. Okay, oranges aren't hard and mangoes aren't either. Okay, oranges have seeds, mangoes have seeds. Oranges have seeds and mangoes do too. يبقى أنا بستخدم and في negative sentences وفي positive sentences in the middle. Okay, in the middle of the two sentences. I can use it also in this example. The last example, the puppies in the dog park chased. Number 1, they wrestled. Number 2, they swam all afternoon. يعني البابيز in the dog park عملوا 3 حاجات. Okay, I can't say and so what can I do? The puppies in the dog park chased, comma, wrestled, comma and swam all afternoon. اوكي زي ما اكون هقول مثلا ايه I like apples full stop, I like bananas full stop, I like figs full stop. Okay, 3 sentences. I want to make them only 1 sentence. What can I do? I can say I like apples, comma, bananas, comma and figs. اوكي يعني هكتب كل اللي انا عايز اكتبه واحط ما بين الحاجة والتانية او النون والتاني او السنتنس والتانية كوما، وقبل السنتنس الاخيرة خالص احط ايه and. اوكي the last one or the last word but is used to contrast two or more things. Peppers taste hot, apples don't taste hot. يبقى but دي بتستخدم في التناقض. Contrast means تناقض. Okay, two opposites. Peppers taste hot, apples don't taste hot. What can I do here? I can put but. Peppers taste hot but apples don't. I don't like coffee, I'm very fond of tea. يعني أنا ما بحبش القهوة بس أنا مغرم بالشاي، بحب الشاي جدا. Two contrasts يعني جملتين اتنين متناقضتين، حاجة بحبها وحاجة ما بحبهاش. I don't like coffee but I am very fond of tea. Okay? Okay. Let's go to this exercise and try to answer. Number 1. You can eat lettuce leaves. You can eat spinach leaves. He wants me to use two. First, I will omit the full stop. Second, I will put and instead of the full stop. And at the end, I will put two. With two sentences, positive. خد بالك. You can eat lettuce leaves and you can eat spinach leaves, comma, two. Number 2, carrots grow under the ground, full stop, potatoes grow under the ground. He wants me to use two. First, I will omit the full stop. Second, I will put and at the end, I will put two. Carrots grow under the ground and potatoes grow under the ground too. And before two, I put comma. Okay? And you will answer the rest of the questions in the same way. Okay? Let's go to take two examples. Number 9. I don't like carrots. I don't like potatoes. He wants me to use either. Okay. So I don't like carrots and I don't like potatoes either. Number 10. Jane doesn't speak French. Sam doesn't speak French. He wants me to use either. Why? لأن two sentences negative. So Jane doesn't speak French and Sam doesn't speak French, comma, either. Okay? 11 and 12, I can answer them like what I answered in the two questions 9 and 10. Let's go to example number 15. Oranges grow on trees, mangoes grow on trees. Okay, two sentences, positive, جملتين مثبتتين. He wants me to use and. Okay, oranges grow on trees and mangoes grow on trees, comma, two. Okay, let's go to number 19. I have English, I have math, I have science homework. He wants me to use and. أنا عندي هنا 3 sentences, 3 جمل. What can I do? I have English, comma, math, comma, and science homework. Okay? Number 20. Peppers taste hot, apples don't taste hot. He wants me to use but. Okay. Peppers taste hot and apples don't, peppers taste hot, but apples don't taste hot. Okay? Number 21. I don't like coffee. I am very fond of tea. He wants me to use but. So, two sentences, contrast, تناقض. I don't like coffee. I will omit the full stop and put but. So, I don't like coffee, but I'm very fond of tea. Number 22. Shakespeare is a poet. He is not a singer. Okay, Shakespeare is a poet, but he is not a singer. Okay. أتمنى تكونوا رجعتوا معايا grammar unit 1 وهو سهل جدا. وتاخدوا بالكم من الحاجات اللي احنا قلنا عليها، وتذاكروها بقى كويس، وتحلوا بقية الكويستشنز تاني مرة تانية.